Struggling to catch some Z's? Here's why your brain craves sleep, straight from John Medina's book, The 12 Brain Rules. Third law, the brain's need for rest. Lesson 1, the necessity of sleep. Scientists have found that depriving someone of sleep for over 72 hours can lead to severe mental disturbances like auditory hallucinations, paranoia, and mood swings. Sleep isn't just downtime, it's crucial for mental replenishment and stability. Lesson 2, what happens during sleep. While our bodies rest, the brain is surprisingly active, especially during REM sleep, which is the most energy-efficient part of the sleep cycle. Despite this activity, REM sleep represents only a small fraction of our sleeping time, raising the question, how does our body feel rested if the brain is still working? Lesson 3, the battle inside our brain. Our sleep involves a constant battle between two systems: the circadian process, process C, which keeps us awake, and the homeostatic process, process S, which demands sleep after we've been awake for about 16 hours. This cycle ensures we alternate between sleep and wakefulness, predictably functioning independently of external light or conditions. Feel more awake already? Hit like, share, and comment to spread the word about the power of sleep.